Hey everyone, Christian from Cooking with My Dumb Friends. I just wanted to make this video to say thank you. We now have 104 subscribers and we are very grateful to you all our friends, all our family, just everyone who shared it, subscribed, supported us in the last year, done an episode with us. Thank you so much because you're helping our dream come true. And we wanted to let you know that 2019 is going to be a year full of episodes. We're going to do 52 episodes this year. We're getting new equipment, we're getting new lights, new camera, new action, and we're going to make you laugh more. And we're just going to have a really great time and make awesome food. We thank you for being there with us, and we hope that you stick with us. And this year is 1,000 subscribers, so help us out, get your friends to like it, share it with them, and tell them to subscribe. And we'll see you throughout the year. Thanks, guys.